listen, I'm just trying to show you a different type of guy because you're a different type of woman. All right, we're gonna start over with something just totally different, you know?
Yeah. Well, look, I want to show you something.
You wanna show me something?
Yeah, let's go.
Who lives here? Jason Voorhees?
Baby, come on, I'll tell you a surprise for you.
Surprise? What do you mean surprise? I don't even understand. Why you got Timberland boots on?
The grass is a little high. The guy's coming next week to cut it, so just watch it. Baby, don't worry about that. Don't worry. I'm getting that fixed next week too. But welcome to my palace. You know, every queen needs a palace. This is the dining room right here, and this over here. Watch your head, baby. Watch your head. Watch the web. Yeah. This is the kitchen.
Where's the sink?
The sink don't. That's coming next week too, baby. Oh, baby, I have a surprise for you. And this is where the magic happens.
What magic? Dark magic?
That right here.
What is that?
Just get comfortable. I want to give you some of this. You've been such a gentleman.
I don't know what kind of COVID-19
Baby,
ate up.
relax.